This is Vijay Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch public channel to private on Discord. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Creating a private Discord server is a great way to control who can join and interact with your community. If you're wondering how to make a Discord server invite only or how to make a Discord server private, it's simple to adjust your server setting to limit access. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So you can just choose on the server or channel that you want to switch to private. I would choose this one for the example. Now, you can see there is an option, edit channel. You can just tap on that. Tap on channel permissions and you can find there is an option private channel. You can just tap on the toggle, make this channel private. You can just tap on yes. So now this channel, the server is private only. It's so simple, right? So that is how to switch public channel to private on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.